VFS up, let's look at XAUUSD and to see where the pair is going to. And it feels good that the structure went exactly the way we expected. And now, on 4 hours, we have a new structure. On daily time frame, we have a breakout from the descending trend line. So we must keep that in mind. Let's keep that in mind. On daily, we have open structure on daily. This is not the new demand floor. Price returned at 2,596 and rejected that based on the structure of the market. Besides, there's no fundamental analysis. Push price below this level, where price is established demand floor and the demand floor and another demand floor. So what we see here that's going to happen is another indication of structure. Now, we are more concerned about the greater structure at this level, and this becomes a new litmus test for upswing. The market is still very much bullish. So we are looking at price bridging our litmus test. We have here as a demand structure, break of a demand flow, a retest candle, respect of a supply week, break of a supply week, return. Open supply week becomes a demand flow. Here we have respect or well, strong rejection candle. We have another retest to the demand flow and ultimately structure broken and price returns to the test. The broken demand flow. Retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, retest 4. Price ultimately dropped from 2,627 into 2,596. That was a fantastic drop. And when we look on daily time frame, how the daily time frame breakout from the descending trend. In my past analysis, I mentioned that breakout and also warned about possible price coming back to retest. These are all daily retests. All these candles on the daily trend, you will see them hitting up on daily. So the next thing we begin to see, let's say in a case we have a breakout to the upside where price looks to swing. This is another important price action where you expect a potential bearish price action. It might really not be much, but it can be guaranteed at least you could walk home with 100 or 150 p by retest to that broken structure. From sudden upswing, we had a breakout of structure, and that breakout of structure calls for retest. And the reason price retested it and left is because the price needs liquidity for uptick. So in search of liquidity, I believe that we might continue to move sideways until the liquidity to reach the blue ascending trend line is available. So at the moment, you can don't be too excited. 270 pip drop will be taken back. And when you look at the structure on 4 hours, you see we have a 4 hours ascending trend line. 4 hours ascending trend line breakout. So what does that mean? When you look at it, who brings the highest volatility in the market? Now, Asians are awake. They are trading XAUUSD. While London opened, one of the biggest gold markets, volatility resumes. Then shortly after, New York session, and the model of volatility, where most accumulations are being distributed. Now in this case, XAUUSD looks like it wants to play on roof and floor. In the structure of the market, we are very familiar with this structure. We have here demand floor, demand floor, breakout of the demand floor, retest at 2,627, and return back to the floor where it was found a strong support by way of price creating an ascending trend line. And what we see that will happen is if price breaks out from here, that will be a strong bearish continuation in line with the impulse leg, the bearish impulse leg, which will also be anticipated and be useful to continue to sell, where price will seek an ultimate retracement at this level. So if we continue to do that, this is going to be our next step. The price will come to this level. We don't expect something dangerous from this. The good dumping is not going to happen anytime soon. Majority of the leaders and central banks, they really have no reason to sell. So retail traders need to understand who holds the highest good central banks. China, Russia, India, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, mentioned the United States. So it's all about who has the number, the one who controls the market. Not having the number, it's going to be difficult to control the market. So now what we see here is a classic test. Let's look at this structure where we have the resistance structure. Let's see what it does for us and see if it brings us to a place of value. There's a strong structure at this level, and when you look at it critically yourself, you won't be talking about that, you always talk about it. You will see what price has done. So the beauty of it is that if SAU swings, which I think the market is still very equal, so upswing might really not matter much. So if price swings, what I see is another retest to a breakout from an ascending trend line, thereby breaking the previous high. That is breaking Friday high and breaking Monday high. After price peak liquidity from this zone, price on the New York session, tomorrow, Tuesday, around 14, you might see a retest into 44. And price will begin to drop from there. It might really not be something heavy. If this upswing continues, then this is what you get. This is what you get. Price now moving back, but it tests the roof again at 38 into 45. Additional 10 peak move. So this is what I see that will happen for SAUUSD. Or price will ultimately come down to 2552 374 for buy liquidity. We also look at fundamental analysis surrounding the pair to see if I think all we can get is unemployment claim, and that's not enough. drive markets in a very embarrassing way. So I think SAU will continue in its structural pattern. So while we watch new ascending trend as litmus test to go on. So what we want is a break and close, and the reason that's a litmus test is because of just two simple price action. This is the reason. And the third one, so the three stretch points have already formed a strong psychological trend line. So break out of that structure, ultimate challenge in the deep descending trend where we look to break a structure in order to create a new. So this could just be something of the best ushering price into 2007 period. So hopefully this is still on the card. It's a probability at this level. We need to see if there's an upswing except buyers are not interested. If they're not interested,